If you're not taking advantage of these top AI opportunities in 2025, you are missing out. Most business ideas are way too technical or already overcrowded. But these are 5 most powerful, scalable, and realistic business ideas that you can actually start even individually. We know there are 4 kinds of leverage in life: time, people, money, and code, where code gives you the highest return on investment. Take an example of the top companies in the world, or even the top 10 richest people. They are mostly in tech. Solve a problem at scale using code. But building a tech company is a lot of work. You need a team, developers, and whatnot. But now with AI, you can solve real problems at scale without coding. That's right. By the end of this video, you'll get 5 AI business ideas that you can actually start. The same stuff I have built for my clients, and in some cases for myself. By the end of this video, if I don't deliver on my promise, you can dislike the video. But even if you agree with one idea 100%, you have to like and subscribe. So let's get started. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal, a developer turned AI consultant and content creator. I build custom AI automations and AI agents for businesses, and I teach them here on this channel. So here is the first idea: AI recruitment agent. Let's be honest, hiring is broken. Companies post a job and then they are flooded with CVs, and there is somebody in the HR who is responsible for screening them on the first layer. But they are responsible for going through each candidate without bias and selecting the right ones for the interview, or maybe the next follow-up questions. What they end up having is maybe scheduling interview with the wrong candidates or accidentally ignoring the best ones. So here is the idea: you offer an AI-based first round hiring assistance as a service. For any new job role, you can create a customized link to share with the candidates where they can make an application, upload their CV, and then when they hit the submit, an automation is triggered which extracts important information from the CV, matches it with the job requirements, and then based on personalization makes a decision if this is the right fit or not. Depending upon the use case, it can either send a personalized rejection email with the reason as well as update the record, or it can send personalized follow-up questions based on their actual work experience and what is expected in their next job, and updates the record. If you want to understand this process better, I've actually made a video on this. I've covered this entire AI agent step by step in this video, along with a free blueprint for this AI agent. You can check the links in the description. Second idea: business mention tracker. This is the one that nobody is talking about and almost every founder would pay for. Companies today are present on so many platforms: Quora, Reddit, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and whatnot. But most of them only see the mention when they are tagged. What about when someone rants your product on a subreddit, or your ex-employee rants about the company without tagging you? You wouldn't know. So here is what you can offer: an AI-based system that tracks all the platforms for any mentions about the company, even when they are not tagging it directly. It not only scrapes and finds where they have been mentioned, but can also do a sentiment analysis and generate a weekly report for the founder or the management. You don't need a developer to build this. You only need the right platform with good tools and good scrapers that should work in coordination to achieve the goal. Actually, I'm about to build this one, maybe in the couple of weeks. So if you don't want to miss out, you know what to do. Third business idea: AI product photos. If you have ever worked with e-commerce brands, you must be aware of how expensive it is to do the shoots, hiring a model, doing all the necessary stuff, getting the photos just for the products. In some cases, they even end up spending $10,000 to $5,000 on a day. But here is how AI can change the game. You can create an AI model, not the large language model, but a model of a male or a female, depending upon the product, using AI. Very realistic, that even you won't be able to differentiate. And then you can use that model to lay over the product images one by one using automation to generate the entire catalog of products, even without hiring a single person. Once you do it with one company, then you can build a portfolio, get out, and offer the same service to other brands. The fourth business idea: AI powered content agency. This one is for my freelancer friends. If you are already into content, ghostwriting, or marketing, this will save your life. There are multiple use cases that I have built that takes a single input, or in some cases no input at all, from the client to generate and publish content over multiple social media. It could be using an AI avatar automation, it could be using a templated images, carousels, LinkedIn post, or even newsletters. There are so many use cases, I can't even list them here. Please check out my 100 automation series where I'm covering a lot of them one by one. You can easily sell this to solo founders, consultants, coaches, or even agencies who need consistent content but do not have the time to sit down, write, or generate it. And the fifth and the final business idea is my favorite one: AI employee trainer. This idea stemmed from a recent project that I am doing for a client. I won't share all the details, but it is basically an AI voice agent ecosystem which can be used in three ways. It is trained on all the sales data for the company, and it can be used for interviewing the new sales candidates, training their existing sales candidates, and can even be used as a brush up conversation for the sales agents that they can have in the morning before heading out. On the back end, it is powered by services like Bland or Wappy, but on the front end, I have built a custom dashboard to make it easy for them to operate on a daily basis. I'll be honest, this might need a little bit of coding. Don't be stressed about the dashboard part. With tools like Lovable, you can also build a front end very easily by just using the prompts. And it is not a very complex project because at the end, you just have to trigger one API call to make the Bland call, just the way we do in automations for mass calling. So these were the 5 ideas. I hope you liked it. If you have any question, you can put it in the comments. And don't forget the promise. If you liked even one of the business ideas, you have to like and subscribe. This really motivates me to make more such videos in the future. And if you are a business who is looking for a custom AI agent or AI automation development, you can reach out to me. You can email me directly at hi@mohitmrinal.com, or you can connect with me over my LinkedIn, where I post AI insights regularly. And don't forget to subscribe because more insights, walkthroughs, and tutorial videos are coming soon.